Entire ecosystems are collapsing.
What?
It's difficult to put into words.
People are dying.
Oh, it's time for the bull panel again. Welcome back, everybody. It's one of my favorite shows of the week, our Monday evening show. We've got HK Trader Will's with us. We've got Craymerica here.
Howdy, y'all.
And of course, Dex. I don't know why that's making me laugh so much. And of course, we've got Dex, the Aglo capitalist.
What up, people?
How's it going?
It's going.
Oh, everybody, we've got some people live with us. Yeah, Dogecoin. Will, I think you were saying that Doge.
Yes, they are the safe haven of the cryptos today.
That's so
with
funny.
the blessing from Elon Musk.
Yeah, I got to pull up the chart. I'm getting it ready off screen here. Let me pull this up. Sorry, guys. A little slow with the mouse. Having mouse issues the last 2 weeks. So this is, let me pull up the daily calendar chart. So it's pulled back a little bit, but yeah, having an interesting. Oh, is this the right symbol? This is saying. Is that it?
Yes, it is. It is.
Okay,
it's
cool.
Dogecoin.
So yeah, what do you guys think? This is news related. Is it Elon?
Well, it's because of the Twitter, privatization. So all the news about Elon. So this coin is at the morning hours. Everything's down, but this one is up.
Yeah, pretty cool. All right, so welcome everybody. We're gonna do a couple things. We just want to tell you, members, tomorrow we've got our Tuesday ETH trade update as well as our trader training. That's tomorrow morning at 11. We'll be on here live, getting you ready a little bit before that. And the way you can participate in that, you just need to become a member at pulsewavetrading.com. We've got affordable, amazing memberships starting at just $11 a month. You get access to our reports, our 3 times updated a week ETH trade, even with our PulseWave Paradise membership. So check it out. Some great stuff, pulsewavetrading.com. All right. You've got a special chart for us here, Will. This is the gold against the SPY, right?
Yep. Well, here's the thing. I would like to elaborate to the subscribers that this is a major trend changing. People talk about, gold's gonna crash with the longer markets. Gold is not safe haven. Gold is useless. Blah 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 blah. Well, take a look at it. I think this year those 60 and 40 guys are losing their shirts on bonds. Most likely they will want to go. So in other words, gold will outperform the general stock markets going forwards. And yes, I know gold has been down $100 since last week, but I think this correction will be very short-lived. And I can see some people allocate the funds to GLD, especially the 60-40 folks. Mm-hmm. So just beware. Okay.
All right, cool. Next, we're looking at Bitcoin doing its thing below the Kumo cloud, but a little bit of an update today. Craymerica broke above 40. We've got 40,500 handle right now.
Yeah, it bounced off the low down just above 38K. Like you said, it's trading below. It's got a little bit of overhead resistance with the Kumo cloud and the 50 EMA there, the 50-day moving average. So it's not. If it's going to move up, it's got a lot of resistance above it right now. It might take a few days playing sideways before an up move. Otherwise, I think it's you might see a little bit more downside action.
Mm-hmm.
If you flip over to the weekly, though, as you can see, it's still it's trading at the bottom side of the channel right now. This kind of a sideways channel. I was hoping it would get a little more bullish movement out of this weekly channel here, but it has a chance to get back into the Kumo cloud here this week, and if it does that, I think we could maybe even try to test the top of the Kumo cloud over the coming weeks. But we'll have to get there first. You know, if it rolls over and breaks down out of this channel here, if it takes out that support that we have from the parabolic SAR, we could be looking at 28K again.
Wow. 28K sounds painful. So Dex, you've been working on your favorite new trade, your ETH trade, updating everybody 3 times a week for our PulseWave Paradise members as well as all of our members. Here's the ETH daily chart. What do you think's going on with the ETH this week?
How am I supposed to know? I'm not a trader. Goodness.
Come on, man. We pay you people to pretend to be a trader on this show, man.
All right. So the funny thing on this one, all right, you're gonna really laugh. Okay, so right out of the trade journal, we got we got reversed on our shorts. We got stopped out on the short and reversed and went long on the ETH and the Bitcoin. So I'm thinking that the market wants to try to retrace a little bit first before the next drop. You see that bearish pointer right there. Right. I think the market will eventually come down and take that out. But for now, the market wants to test the higher end of the trading range. A trading range has been established in the short term, and it's good for a ride back up toward resistance. You see that red candle on your left? You see that bullish pointer? Yeah. Yes, that marks the top of the range, the high of the range, and the green bearish pointer marks the support on the trading range. I believe price action is going to move in between those trading ranges for the near term. All
right, cool. We got a couple quick questions. When do you guys think the market's going to crash based on the algos? From William.
Okay, I addressed this also in the past, so let me refresh your memories. In a prior video, I talked about how I'm sorry, well, I sound like Biden now. So we discussed the idea of how the markets generally work, and that idea is that whatever the prevailing trend is, the market will have extreme moves in that direction. It seldomly, and I do mean seldomly, reverses course on a dime. It will do it at extreme levels, but not just out of the blue. And I gave illustrations of that last week. If you recall, I explained how if you take a look at the crash of 87, if you take a look at the crash of 29, if you take a look at the dot-com bubble bursting, if you take a look at the flash crash of 2010 or the real estate crisis in 2008, and each one of those famous market crash iconic moments, they did not come out of thin air. What happened was the market was already moving in a downward sloping position. And what happened was that trade just got exacerbated, even on 9/11. The market didn't crash because of 9/11. The market was already getting ready to drop, and already started moving in that direction. So I'm here to tell you one more time, I'll tell you one more again, that the next market crash is going to happen out of the blue. There will be no news event. It's just going to happen. But it's not going to take pulse waivers off guard, because we're already going to be short long before that crisis comes. And you will know, because all of a sudden, breaking news, the Dow is down 4,000 points, and they may say a nuke went off somewhere or something crazy happened. Has nothing to do with it. They always want to find something to say to justify and explain away what the market does. So just always remember that.
Great point.
But
All right.
you won't get a notice. It's just going to happen, and you're just going to have to be short in the market when that time comes.
Indeed. All right, cool. Thanks for joining us, everybody. We're going to be back tomorrow morning. We've got our Tuesday trader training. These have been awesome. This is solid time of Q&A with the PulseWave community with Dex, and he updates his ETH trade, goes over strategy, gets into all kinds of stuff. So we'd love to see you guys there tomorrow. You just need to be a member. So head over to pulsewavetrading.com and join up. And
real quick, before I forget, if you are already a subscriber to the Pulse Waves, I don't care how long you've been with me, if you're able to, you don't want to miss tomorrow's training session. Because I pulled the okey doke on you.
Yeah.
The reports have been updated. They went through a major update over the weekend. I added a bunch of new goodies for you. I'm surprised no one has called me out on it yet in the trading room. I guess I just snuck it past you, didn't I?
You stuck it right past.
Yeah. The reports tell you when a market has hit a 52-week high or a new 52-week low.
Oh, yeah. I did notice the new language.
That's
cool.
Cool.
And it also explains what the trend is when the market is inside the Kumo cloud. Before, it would just say the market's in the Kumo cloud. That's it. Now it will say you are in a bull market and the market has retraced. And by the way, it has now reached the Kumo cloud.
Amazing.
Okay to add position.
You know, okay. All right, Will. All right, so you read it? You read it? Yes, and I even added the language because I was getting a lot of questions about when should I add to my positions. So I added that language to the reports. So now it will say, okay to add to longs, okay to add to shorts, all that good stuff.
Excellent. Wow.
Yeah, man.
As my wife would say, damn girl. All right. With that, we're out.
That was awesome.